Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to make quesadilla burgers. First, divide 1 pound of ground beef into 4 equal portions. Gently form each portion into a thin patty, roughly 1/4 inch thick, ensuring they are slightly wider than your tortillas. Season both sides of these patties generously with salt and pepper. Now, preheat your griddle or a large skillet over medium-high heat, getting ready for the next step. Next, place your seasoned patties onto the hot griddle. Cook them for about 3 to 4 minutes per side, or until they reach your desired doneness and have a nice brown crust. During the last minute of cooking, place a slice of your favorite cheese, like cheddar or Monterey Jack, on top of each patty. While the patties finish, warm 4 large flour tortillas in a separate pan until they are soft and pliable. Now it's time to assemble these delicious quesadilla burgers. Take 2 of your warm tortillas and spread a thin layer of your chosen sauce, perhaps a spicy mayo or a classic burger sauce, on one side of each. Carefully place 2 of the cheese-topped patties onto each sauce tortilla. Then, add your favorite burger toppings, such as grilled onions, sliced jalapenos, or crispy bacon, right on top of the patties. Finally, place the remaining 2 warm tortillas on top of your assembled burgers, creating 2 large quesadillas. Carefully transfer these to the griddle and cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until the tortillas are golden brown and crispy, and all the cheese is beautifully melted. Slice each quesadilla burger in half and serve immediately. Don't forget to check the description for a link to a fantastic book about money and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.